G'day folks, yeah, I know it's been a long time, but welcome back to the Hilltop Workshop. Today on the bench, I've got a parcel just arrived in the mail yesterday from Mad Folk Engineering. They're a local manufacturer and fabricator here in Australia, Head and Greta in New South Wales, wherever the hell that is. But this is their EH accelerator pedal that they build, and are designed for a cable conversion to an EH Holden. So I've got this in for Mr. Vic for his vehicle, and I thought, well, I'll just unbox it together so you can see exactly what will come when you buy such a kit. Took about a week to get here, a couple of $100, including freight. Well, it was about $250, just under $300, including freight, which is not too bad considering the amount of time it'll stop. It'll save me from having to muck around making one myself. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. Oh, and I also ordered one of their 2-barrel Holley accelerator cable brackets as well, which is oh, that looks great. That looks really good. Yeah, cool. A couple little press marks and that on it, but nothing too crazy. No razor sharp edges, so I'm not going to end up covered in blood. So hole for a cable, cable locator if you want, and a throttle return spring, and of course our 2 screw holes for going onto the carburetor base. So that looks like it's going to save me a lot of grief, and looks quite smart too. So yeah, cool, nice one. Moving right along, so I bought this kit. You can buy this kit ready to go, completely out of the box, assembled and painted, or you can buy it assembled and not painted, or you can buy it completely disassembled and completely unpainted, which is what I have here. So let's look at these bits and pieces. So okay, fasteners, got some nice fasteners. So that's obviously a pivot pin. Pedal's got a tone return spring, which is great. Nuts and bolts for, I'm guessing that is going to, anyway, I will sort it out, but that's going to go onto the floor somewhere, somehow, and the pedal will pivot there. Once I've got this all mounted up in the car, I'll do another follow-up video. 3 different positions for our return spring to go into, which is cool. So it gives a bit of adjustability to the resistance just offered by the pedal. And this is the pedal itself. So this looks really nice. Well, the pedal lever itself. So let's see what we can do here without making it too ridiculously disjointed. So there's our foot pad, our actual pedal there. Little return spring for that, so that it always goes back to the lower position or wherever you want it to go. I think this is going to be a winner. So yeah, I'll be hitting this with a bit of wax remover and giving it a nice coat of black. Again, you can pay an extra $50 or $60 or whatever, or I can't remember, but check on their website and they'll paint it up or assemble it for you as well. But I figure, well, I hope, if you disregard every mistake I probably just made with this now, that this shouldn't take too long to assemble and install. And then I'll get Mr. Vic down here and fit it up. But yeah, so far it looks like a really nice, nicely made piece of kit. Going to save me a lot of time and a lot of grief making one of these up. And if you look on their website where they show pictures, it looks like this is already bent into exactly the right location to go through the firewall on an EH. So yeah, hopefully only a few more hours ahead, and then the cable conversion itself. But this is going to help that as well. And I'll keep you posted, but so far I'm liking it. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Cheers.